This is the Esp8266 board, which is also known as Node MCU. In this video, we are going to see how to use it with Arduino IDE and how to make a web server with it. So let's get started. To program Esp8266 with Arduino IDE, we need to set it up. Open Arduino IDE, then go to Files, then Preferences, then paste the Board Manager URL of description. Then go to the Board Manager and then install the following board. Then open the code of description, then change the SSID ID and password with your own Wi-Fi network. Then select the board and the port and hit the Upload button. Once the code is uploaded, your board is going to be connected with the Wi-Fi network. Now you can see an IP address in your serial monitor. Remember it because you are going to need it. Open any browser in your mobile and paste the IP address. And now you can control the build in LED of the Node MCU using your phone. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and to get more contents like this, subscribe my channel.